welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Casey. I am so excited for today's video, and I feel like I say that before every single video, I know, but I'm actually really excited for this one because the trip that I've been talking about, looking forward to, saving for months is finally here. I am heading to Walt Disney World with one of my best friends, Emily, on a little girls trip, and then after that I'm heading to Miami to visit some of my family. Ryan is flying down too, so it's just gonna be a really great time. But I am going to be in Florida for like a total of 12 days, so it is a long trip. There is a lot to pack and I'm feeling a little bit anxious about it. Comment down below if you're similar to me, but I feel like I love vacation, I love going on trips, but I definitely get a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of the jitters. I like organization, I like having a routine, so when that stuff is broken, I'm a little frazzled. So I figured we could pack together, I could make this vlog and kind of make it a fun experience. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Here is the vision board that I have been working on for this trip. Write down in the comments, see if you guys can guess where we're staying. I feel like it's pretty obvious. I don't know how people like keep it a secret and do resort reveals for where they're staying. I don't know if I'm just too chatty, but I've told everyone I know where we're staying. I think that I'm just really excited about it. But if you couldn't tell from Lilo, the Dole Whips, and literally the lobby itself, we are staying at the Polynesian Resort. This has been a dream hotel of mine forever. Emily and I have been saving up for this trip for a really long time. We're really just jumping into the full experience and I can't wait. This is the Disney Florida packing list. So I love to use the Notes app for my packing list. I like that it syncs up between my iPad and my phone. So starting out, we've got Thursday, March 7th. That is our travel day. So I like to split up basically what we're doing in that day. And then I'll put a little checklist down below of what I know that I want to wear, what I want to make sure to pack. So once all of those are packed in my suitcase, I'll just go ahead and check them off as such, and then I can visually see that those items are in the suitcase. It's also just so like therapeutic to see everything checked off. I sound crazy, but I just love a list. I love a list. But day one is, like I said, travel day. I'm flying from LaGuardia into Orlando. Emily's gonna pick me up at the airport. We're probably gonna scream our heads off from excitement, head to the Poly, check in, and then we're gonna head to Disney Springs in the evening. I love to just do a chill day on day one, and we need to be well rested because our day two is a bit crazy because we're gonna go to 3 parks in one day, or note, attempt to go to 3 parks in one day. On Saturday, we're having a full resort day at the Polynesian. I've never done a resort day before, so I'm really excited to just relax. We're paying to stay at the Polynesian. We want to take advantage of the pool and everything that the hotel has to offer. And then we're actually getting dinner at Narcoossee's, which is in the Grand Floridian, so we can get there on the monorail. On Sunday, we're doing just a full Magic Kingdom day, hopefully with a break in the middle. So we're actually doing the dessert party, and I'll definitely be vlogging it, and I'll say if I think that it's worth the money or not. Another thing that I like to do before a trip that I add onto all of my packing list is just a to-do list that I can, again, visually check off, and I'll just add things in there as I remember that I need to do them, like get a pedicure, buy the plane snacks, buy some body sunscreen. So I already have my large pile of clothes here that I'm gonna transfer to the bedroom. And then I have some clothes here. How cute is it? Let me show you guys. Simply adorable. Thunder Mountain was my favorite ride as a kid. My dad and I used to go all the time. And then I got this All-Star tee. I thought it was so 90s. I just loved it. I have this really cute shirt, which I thrifted for Ryan actually, but I'm gonna steal it for the trip because it's too perfect for our pool day. And then I have this really cute Happily Ever After tee that I just thought was perfect for when we go watch the fireworks. Okay guys, so we have made some progress. I have all of my little piles of clothes. I basically do this per day. So I have like all of my Miami outfits down here. I have all of the park days, dinner at Narcoossee's, pool day, etc. And then I learned this from TikTok. You're supposed to fold your clothes to be the same size as the packing cube. Right, and you want to leave like a little bit of room, not stuff it all the way, so that you can actually compress it. Closed, and here's the second zipper. And I just kind of tuck in as I'm zipping. And that's it. Got all of our toiletries and some Disney essentials too, so I'll kind of just walk you guys through everything that we have here. This is the Calpac toiletry bag. I absolutely love it. This is the small size. I put my hair stuff on one side, and then I put like my toothbrush, other toiletries on this side. To pack my toiletries, I tend to go in order of my head of just everything that I do. So I brush my teeth, I do my face stuff, my sunscreen, deodorant. This is something that is a must take for me for Disney. It helps so much with chafing. I typically wear like long biker shorts, but I still like to have it just in case. These are currently my two favorite lip balms. This one is new to me, the Ole Henriksen. I think they also just came out with these flavors, but the blood orange one is so good. I have some clips. I got these little like silicone holders off of Amazon and I really like them. I have face wash in one of them and my leave-in conditioner in another. I have some hair mousse, shampoo. I love this Sunbum sunscreen. We always take it to Disney. I feel like it's just the perfect travel size. This Downy Wrinkle Release is perfect if you're taking packing cubes. You spray it on your clothes and then you just kind of air it out like with your hands and it helps to release the wrinkles. I typically keep all of this packed inside of my little toiletry bag so that when I'm going on a trip I can just grab it and take it. I don't really like to pack things that I use every day. I feel like it's such a hassle to remember to put things in the bag. Over here I have a little jewelry organizer. I got this off of Amazon too. It's just so easy to pack. You can put everything in its different pockets. Also, how cute are these little hoops? They're little Mickeys on the hoop. I think they're so cute. This is for my iPad. And then moving on to like Disney essentials, I always like to bring wet ones and hand sanitizer. I always keep in my backpack. These are actually new to me. I think I saw Brianna Tata using these, and these are like towel clips. I think they're so cute. They're little flip-flops. And when you go to the pool or the beach, you just clip them onto your towel. And I think it's great because especially at resorts and stuff, you can tell which chairs are yours. And it's just an easy way to keep your towel hung up. I just have like a really simple white magic band. I ended up buying a mini water bottle for this trip and I've already used it like in an exploring day in New York, and I absolutely loved it. I want to fill it with Disney stickers. I got the idea from Maggie. She's a creator on TikTok. I love her stuff. She's just so cute, her and her sister. And then I also got this little like tech organizer. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this, but I feel like I do have a lot of cords, a lot of chargers, a lot of camera equipment, so I'm gonna kind of sort out how I'm gonna use that, but these are all of my little goodies. Okay, so here is the toiletries bag, everything fit in there. And then in here, in this super cute little stitch pouch, I put like the towel clips, the Downy Release spray, sunscreen, stuff that I would take out to the pool. So we're going with the checked bag. This is my first time using this bag, actually. It is from Away. I got the electric blue color on like mega sale for Black Friday. But on this side, I have kind of miscellaneous stuff. I always put like shoes, purses, hats, or anything like that on this side, and I zip it up. And then on this side, I have all of my packing cubes. What I love about the Away bags is that they have these like compression belts, so you can really just squish everything down. And in the carry-on version that I have, it's so helpful when I'm trying to fit things into a carry-on. Because I'm paranoid, I'll probably end up putting my toiletry bag and my makeup bag and my iPad and electronics inside of my backpack. But I'm gonna zip everything up and we're pretty much good to go. All right, everyone, we are packed, we are booked, we are ready. It is Disney Eve. We leave tomorrow at 4:30 in the morning. I'm actually gonna schedule an Uber to come and pick me up to take me to the airport because I feel like that early in the morning it's kind of hard to find Ubers. I was watching my coworker's Instagram story, which was perfect timing really, and she was saying how she had a trip coming up and she had this huge to-do list. She was saying like, I just let the errands go. Instead, I listened to my body and I went out on a run and I I'll figure it out, you know? And that's exactly how I feel at this point right now. I'm gonna sit on the couch, I'm gonna watch some YouTube or some Love Island, and I'm just gonna relax. 8 times out of 10, wherever you're going, they'll have whatever you need. You know, I needed to grab some face wash from Sephora. There's a Sephora in Disney Springs, you know? I'm not very good at going with the flow, but I feel like it's so important to be able to do that. So yeah, if you're going through something similar, if you're also someone that loves a list and that loves to plan, just don't freak out if something doesn't go according to plan. It will be fine. The next time I see you guys, I will be in Walt Disney World, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of those videos. And I'll see you real soon.